All right, so let's check out some of this work over here. This high quality stuff here, which is pretty pathetic, actually. You can see here where there's too much pressure, and where these lines are is where they cut into the concrete. That's why we say cut the concrete. And it made it more porous. It's no longer smoother. So that roughness exposes the aggregate, the stones that are in the concrete, and the smoothness is gone. So therefore, you're going to get not only dirty and full of mold and mildew a million times faster. It's never going to look good again. It's always going to, no matter what you do to it, it's always going to become dirty a lot faster. And it's always going to have these cut grooves into it. And these are not dirt and light marks here. This is a cut groove. I've already shown you in other videos a million times, as you can actually feel the difference. It is bad, very bad. And why would you pay for this? It makes no sense for somebody to pay for this type of work. It's a mess. Look at it. It's disgusting. It's not only cut into the concrete, it's never going to look the same, never going to feel the same. It's always, you could see. I'm only going to do this one more video and show you how bad that this is cut into that concrete. You see the difference? It is cut a groove into that. It's cut into the concrete. It's up and down, cut into the concrete. Okay? That means it's always going to be a million times dirtier faster. The growth of the mold and mildew will grow. The growth will be a million times faster. It looks bad. Well, no matter what you do to it, it's always going to look like shit, no matter what. Just like around the corner, it was cleaned. This was cleaned the same time that was cleaned. And because there's a little bit of trees around here, okay, then you're going to get a little bit of a decay, and that decay is going to grow into the concrete faster. Organic matter is what they call it, okay, and it's going to get dirtier faster than over here, just because it's close to that bush. But usually they get dirty at the same time, but because this has been tore up so bad, there's nothing you can do. That's just the way that goes. As you can see over here, somebody thought they were going to get funny and go in circles, and look how bad this is over here. This is what they call, it's cut into the concrete, and I've already showed you this spot and many other spots in many other videos, that it's now the pressure washer, wrong nozzle, wrong technique, and just poor people doing work they really shouldn't be doing. And this is a professional center, so now your professional center looks like this. Our washing never does that. If you have a smooth concrete, our location that we maintain will always be smooth, because we know how to clean, we know what we're doing. But the person who did this didn't know what's going on. This is permanent damage, and like I said, the price is probably low, okay? And what do they probably charge you over here? I don't even know. Could be $40, $60, could be $100, but I guarantee you whatever they charge you will be in the same area, because we'll match the price or close to it, and then you'll get high quality work, and you won't get damage like the damage that is done here, okay? Because that is what they call burnt into the concrete. Those lighter marks are the etchings in the concrete that will never, ever, ever go away. And no matter what you do to it, paint it, whatever you want to do, seal it, whatever you want to do, those markings will always be in here. It's the same thing when you see like a leaf or something that's been in the concrete when it was drying during the time it was being laid and smoothed, like whatever that is, that's probably a leaf. That's always going to be there from here until the day that this place is tore down. And the same thing of these concrete burn marks from the wand that's done, pressure cleaning is done wrong, that's always going to be there. So that's why you hire a company that I guess the thing is, like, people assume that all these companies are the same, and they're not even close. There are big, big differences. Even some of the big companies that hire people, off the street and they train them or whatever, or from different companies, a lot of the times that's not even good work either. A lot of times it's just crappy work. You just don't know what you're getting. Sometimes the bigger companies are even worse than the smaller companies. But you get an owner operator, okay, most of the time. Now, I'm not saying all the time, but most of the time, owner operators are going to be the ones who really care, okay, and want to do high quality work. Now, that doesn't always mean that they will, but if you look at all of our work, going back, near 30 years now, you will see that all the work that I've done, my company has done, that you're never going to see that type of trash that we've done. It's never what you see like this over here that we've shown you. It's our work is always smooth. Plus, we give you the guarantee warranty. Okay, most of it is 3 months. Okay, there's other ways you can do sealing of the concrete, and there's not just a splash and dash, or we're gonna spray it on or roll it twice, or whatever other companies say. It doesn't matter. We have a very special technique, and I know everybody says the same crap, but I can prove that my work, whether it's sealing, clear coat, sealing, painting, or whatever, okay, most of it, some of it will get a year, some of it will get 2 years, and we also have products that we can offer up to 5 years, okay? So it's done a different way. It has multi-step process, and you're going to get a very high quality. And this is not for everybody, because some people just want splash and dash, and they don't really care. And there's a lot of those people, and we're not a company like that. We don't do splash and dash and crappy work. If you want high quality work for high quality properties, and you're serious about making money on your property, if you're going to flip it or resell it, and you want stuff done right, you can call Under Pressure Power Wash, and we will give you high quality work for the going rate, obviously. Okay, and you will be happy. Okay, we'll sign the warranty, give you a guarantee and a warranty on our work, and you won't have the trash as you've seen here. So give us a call. You can call us anytime. We'll get to you as soon as possible. We're good at getting work done fairly quick, and the work is always spectacular. We guarantee it, and you've seen it. So 561-971-0235. All right, and give us a call. You can text us for faster service. We need the address, the type of service that you're looking for to have done, a little bit about it, and we can look it up in a couple minutes and get you a free estimate fairly quickly. Get back to you, and we can go from there. All right, you all have a great day.